Let's draw a big elephant. First, draw its head. A big circle. Blue. Well done. Then draw 2 large ears. Wonderful! Now draw a long trunk. That's great! Make a big oval body for the elephant. Next, draw 2 thick legs. And 2 more legs. All you have left is a cute tail with a switch. Fantastic! You have made a wonderful elephant. The word elephant begins with the letter E. Write this letter, and your elephant will balance on a giant ball. Yellow.
Ooh, ooh.